Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. In our house, we make stuffing 3 times a year. Thanksgiving, of course, Christmas, of course, and Carson's birthday. Perfect little bite-sized pieces, bread, I really like to make sure we have enough olive oil on all the croutons. I know this seems like a lot, and it kind of is, but it's gonna make the crouton crispy, creamy, and delicious. And then when we add all the stock to it, it's gonna get like custardy almost. It's absolutely amazing. So take the time to stir. Oven set at 425. So what we're looking for is the crouton to be crispy on the outside, but just a little bit of give and tender on the inside. I really don't like the stuffing when the crouton is completely dehydrated and hard. I like how the bread gets creamy and custardy. We're contrasting the crispy outside with just the touch of give on the inside. So now we're gonna bust out the aromatics for the stuffing. We're gonna do a diced onion, finely diced. 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, smashed and chopped, removing the little stem. I'm gonna dice some celery. We're gonna prep the apple. I like Granny Smith for the little bit of tartness in the apple to balance out all of the richness and sweetness of the stuffing. All right, our aromatics are ready to be cooked. Gonna add our apple. We're gonna add our stock. We wanna add enough to add moisture, but not so much that it's soggy, but we want just enough so that we hydrate the crouton. And it makes, once again, I'm coming back to that custard type feeling, custard texture. We're gonna add just a little bit more, and then we're gonna bake it in the oven in this pan, 400 degrees, until we get that golden crisp top. Oh my God. The stuffing is so rich and creamy. It is so good. I'm gonna take another bite. And as always, we'll see you next week. Bye.